ayan guys, pupunta na tayo sa ating airplane. So, welcome Philippines na tayo mamaya. So, let's go guys. Yan, nakakamiss namang dumaan dito sa carpet na to. Papuntang airplane. So, ang aking plane ay Cebu Pacific. At 7:40 ang flight. Paglapag ko sa Pinas ay 9:55. So, ayan. Let's go! Enjoy natin ang ating vacation. Let's go, guys! Ayan na ang ating airplane. Pasok na tayo. Guys. Let's go. Ayan. Nandito na tayo. So, hanapin natin yung ating seat. Na 12B. So, let's go sa 12B. So, ayan guys. So, dito, 12B. Ayan. So, dito tayo sa gitna. Ayan guys, ilagay ko yung bag ko dito sa compartment. So, ayan guys, marami tayong kababayan na magbabakasyon. So, let's go. So, medyo manit lang itong masakyan natin guys. 6 rows na Cebu Pacific. Bakit 20? So, i-review natin sa Cebu Pacific. 5J112 Cebu Pacific.
May we request all guests to stow your hand luggage properly under the seat or in
Sino papunta tayo dito?
Guys, sa labas. Ayan guys, medyo madaming pasaheros niya. So, nagkakarga pa ng tao. So, nandito lang tayo sa medyo harapan. Natin yung Cebu Pacific 5G113 guys. So, mayroon sila vouchers dito. And passengers briefing card. Ayan. Ayan. At andito rin ako guys malapit sa exit just in case of emergency. So, doon yung harapan. Meron din silang enough pagayan ng mga bags. Yan, mayroon ding exit doon sa kabila. Guys, yung mga stewardess ay tumutulong din sila mag-ayos ng mga bag. Ang Cebu Pacific guys. Sila po guys.
to unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. blow to increase air, and push fins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic bands sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is in...
Pinatay na yung ilaw guys. Malapit na kami aalis. Ayan, aalis na kami guys. So on time sila. So 7:55.